Latest attractive summer outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Brown t-shirt with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. Striped shirt with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. Navy t-shirt with white pant and black loafers. Outfit number 4. Striped shirt with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 5. Yellow t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 6. White t-shirt with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 7. Navy polo t-shirt with brown pant and brown loafers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.